Want to supercharge your Zapier automations and unlock possibilities you never thought existed? Today, we're diving into Code by Zapier, the powerful tool that lets you inject custom JavaScript or Python code directly into your Zaps, enabling you to handle advanced data manipulation, complex logic, and even connect to APIs not natively supported by Zapier. First, let's create a new Zap. Choose your trigger app and set it up as usual, like a new email arriving in Gmail. Now for the magic: when you select your action app, search for and choose Code by Zapier. You'll see options for JavaScript and Python. Pick the one you're most comfortable with. You'll be presented with a code editor and an input data section. This is where you'll write your custom code to process the data from your trigger or any previous steps in your Zap. Use the input data fields to map data from your previous Zap steps to variables you can use in your code. This allows you to dynamically pass information into your script. Within the code editor, write your JavaScript or Python code to perform the desired action. This could be anything from reformatting dates and manipulating text strings to performing calculations or making API calls. Use the test action button to run your code and check the output. This is crucial for debugging and ensuring your code is working correctly within the Zap. Finally, use the output of your Code by Zapier step in subsequent actions in your Zap. You can map the resulting data into any app, just like data from any other Zapier step. And that's it. With Code by Zapier, you can extend Zapier's capabilities to handle almost any automation scenario. Now go forth and build some incredible custom workflows.